The sit-in demonstration of the Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles held today saw owners of petrol pumps in the city supporting the JAC on their demands for decrease in fuel prices in the state. Speaking at the demonstration was fuel pump owner SAMBORLANG DIENGDOH, who said that he had come to lend his support to the drivers in the fight for their rights, as it is not fitting to see their livelihood suffer due to the increased fuel prices in the state.
I'm a petrol pump owner, and having seen that the demand is very justified, and on one particular day we close our RO, we close the outlet, we close the pump just to render support to the association, because we felt that the taxes imposed by the government after lockdown, we felt it is very high, and the taxes that they've imposed also does not have a gradual slope of increasing. They just increase the taxes. For diesel, they've increased from 13.5% directly to 22%, and petrol, they've increased from 22% directly to 31%, whereas the central sales tax is only 18%. And considering the fact that petrol and diesel falls under the Meghalaya value-added tax, and it does not categorize under the GST, so we feel that the government should roll back the price. And moreover, while we were paying the taxes in those times, we remember paying this additional amount. I don't remember how much is the amount, but there was this COVID-19 cess was also added to it. Now that I feel everything is back to normalcy, business has started to regroup again. Many shops have been open. Business is coming back to, let's say, 75-80%. I think it's high time for the government to do away with that COVID-19 cess also. 72 or 67 or 72 or 91, we're getting the same commission, but it's just that we sympathize these poor people, no? Because of tax imposed by the government, the huge amount of tax imposed by the government, eventually it resulted in the rise in fuel price, which means there will be a hike in the fare, and at the end of the day, the common man will suffer. But for us, whether it's 100 rupees or 50 or whatever, we still get the same commission, we're still earning the same only. But it's just that we sympathize with the poor people as well, no? Because at the end of the day, see, I'm very honest with you. 90% of the customers in any petrol pump are taxi owners only. If petrol pump owners don't come and stand up and don't come and support them when they are in need, then what for are we?
A member of the Meghalaya People's Grievances Cell, Marbod Khar, informed that the Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles will very soon hold a meeting of its members from all districts of the state to decide on the next course of action.
Tomorrow we will decide, like Bajarwa has already stated, that he will call all the President Secretary of all the different districts in the state of Meghalaya, and then we will sit and then we will decide.